I want to tell you about this special bonus because this bonus is really near and dear to my heart. This particular field was very scary for me. Email marketing was very scary for me because somehow I was very scared. I thought, okay, what will people think? And I'm just trying to sell and this and that. And I had a lot of hesitation. And then when I came across with this particular guide, email marketing guide, this totally changed my perspective about email marketing. That perspective, and it also has a complete guidance exactly how you can schedule your email and what you are doing, how you can add value to your audience. And once I started implementing whatever the features were mentioned or benefits and all the steps were mentioned in this email marketing guide, it totally changed my business. This is the guide which made me highly profitable in the first year of my business. Implementation of this guide is so crucial. Email marketing gives 4000% ROI. Many people know that. I knew that, and still I was hesitant to start. But once I started, I never looked back. When my products were not ready, I was just doing affiliate marketing. This guide helped me. This guide helped me every possible step, and I want you guys to utilize this. I want you guys to utilize this email marketing guide and become highly profitable. I just want to show you what is in this. Okay, so this is specially designed for solopreneurs, small business owners, home-based business owners, online business owners. And here it tells, because if you really want any professional company to do email marketing for you, their chances are really hefty. They are into multiple five, no, six digits, and solopreneurs, small business owners, home-based business owners cannot afford that. That's why this guide is so crucial, so important. So here it says how you can create efficient and aligned email schedule that fills your soul, because I realized that I want to send emails which I want to receive. So once I started taking that step, it really helped me, because I know I send only emails which I want to receive. So I am attracting only the like minded people. Identify your money making potential with promotions. Establish expertise and credibility with value packed free content. Generate buzz with your special content, and especially at the launch time. Create juicy outline that actually compels your sales very naturally without becoming very salesy. Then powerful and underutilized strategy that always helps you make money. And here, just how you can sell every day without feeling salesy, and just by adding value. And here you will get this email marketing guide. This is really compact to the point, but this will make you profitable even in the first year of your business if you implement all the points which are mentioned in this guide. So just get this bonus and become highly profitable, because I had many businesses before. Some businesses went on really good, some businesses not so good, but this is the only business, digital business, which made me highly profitable even in the first year of my business, which never happened before. And I want you to have success like this and even much more. Yeah, that's my goal. And I really want to wish you all the best into your entrepreneur journey. Thank you.